It is now time to install the Xplorer Breakout board. Like I had mentioned about the Xplorer frets, this is a part that is exclusive to the Xplorer Revival kit, so make sure that you order the right kit. We're going to need to use the Start, Select, and Guide buttons we took out earlier, as well as their silicone contact pads, including the large one for the D-pad. The Xplorer Breakout board only goes on one way. There's even writing on the board saying which side points which way, with the corner pointing towards the strum bar. We're going to be using 4 screws that are included in the same bag as the ones used previously in this kit. Insert all 4 screws and tighten. Like the rest of the boards, do not over-tighten. If you run into any issues with these inputs, uninstall the board, clean the contact pads, and reinstall, then try again. Now, like we had done in the electronics testing step, connect the red cables to each connector port, then match them to the same ones on the Revival strum board. You will also want to do cable management for this. I suggest tape, but again, I do not have any accessible to me for this build. Moving on, it's time for the whammy.